Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best mess kits that you can buy today. Having a good mess kit or a cook set is a lifesaver. Whether you're on the trail or on a camping trip with a group of friends, what you eat determines your mood, which can be the most fun or the most dreaded part of camping, depending on your equipment. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing mess kits. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there's an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best mess kit, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Sea to Summit Delta Camp. The Sea to Summit Delta Camp set was far and away our favorite set to eat with. Its large plate and bowl were easy to hold, even with scalding hot food in them. Having a conventional, durable set of fork, spoon, and knife, instead of the ubiquitous camp spork, was a welcome luxury while camping. We wish that Sea to Summit had included some sort of lid with the cup to make it more versatile for morning camp coffee. We also found the cup to be difficult to hold while full of hot liquid, and we were bummed that it didn't attach to the rest of the set to keep everything together. The Delta Camp set is deceptively simple, but perfect for anyone who already has their camping or backpacking cookware sorted and just needs a set of durable camping dinnerware. For backpackers who want to take a full mess kit, this set is our favorite. It weighs just 9 ounces, making it the lightest mess kit we tested. In at number 4 is the Winterial Camping Cookware and Pot Set. This set contains a bunch of interesting items. It has the classics like a 1.9 liters pot with a lid and a high-walled fry pan. It also has a convenient teapot, soup ladle, bowl, spoon, spatula, cleaning sponge, and a carry bag. While the main items of the set are of a durable aluminum oxide with Teflon coating, the quality of the accessories are questionable. As a serious tea and coffee drinker, I love the addition of a teapot. I know that you can also boil water in pot with a lid, but this is so much more convenient. Boiling water in a kettle is both faster than a pot, and pouring the water into your cup is easier. However, I would have liked it more if the set had an insulated mug instead of the other random stuff. Honestly, some of the accessories this set comes with are a bit unnecessary. What am I supposed to use that tiny bowl for? I would get rid of the cheap plastic ladle, spoon, cup, etc., and use the space inside the kettle to store a small stove. However, you can take the full set on your first trip and see what you use for yourself. Even though I enjoyed the tea kettle, you could make a much lighter set without it. Overall, I think this is a great set for beginners to try out cooking outdoors and see what they use and what they don't. Starting out with a decent set is much better than getting a cheap plastic set that will fall apart in the middle of a trip. The third product on our list is the Snow Peak Trek Japanese Titanium Pot. It's unbelievable how lightweight this set is. With only 0.75 pounds extra in your pack, you get 2 pots and 2 lids that double as fry pans and plates. If you're an ultralight hiker that doesn't want to eat trail mix for a week, this is your set. A quick warning before we get into the details: this set isn't for beginners. There's no non-stick coating on it. While the titanium is super lightweight and you don't have to worry about any chemicals leaching into your food, you have to be careful not to burn your food. You have to be quite gentle during cooking and cleaning. I would also recommend using a generous amount of oil during frying things. Titanium really excels when you boil things because of how fast it conducts heat. However, it also forms hot spots, making it not the best choice for frying. However, if you're an ultralight hiker, you're probably not preparing super fancy meals, so it still works out nicely. Another plus this set has is that you can fit a small canister inside the small pot while you pack. You might also want to include a set of cutlery, and it should fit inside small pot. I don't love the handles of these pans because they are also made of metal, but it's neat that each item has its own handle. I understand that these simple handles are for decreasing the weight and bulk. If the pot handle gets too hot, you can use a rag to hold it. One last thing that might become a problem is that this set is quite small. If you're with more than 2 people, it will definitely be too small. So maybe just consider this set for a solo or duo trip. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Backpacker. In the backpacker version of GSI Pinnacle, you get the same quality items as the camper version, but you get a more compact and lightweight set. This set only has the 2 liters pot and a smaller 8-inch version of the Teflon Radiance coated non-stick fry pan. It also has 2 bowls, 2 insulated mugs with sippy tops, and a lid that functions as a strainer. The lid has the orange tab to easily pick it up and silicone sides that protect the sides of the pot. While this set is smaller and almost half the weight of GSI Pinnacle Camper, it's still borderline heavy for backpacking. Just like MSR's Quick 2 system, this set transitions easily from car camping to backpacking. For the added weight, you definitely get a lot of comfort. Having a luxurious set allows you to cook faster, eat better, and clean easier after a long hike. The best mess kit is the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. GSI Pinnacle Camper is perfect for up to groups of 4, and it has everything you could need. The set has almost everything, so you can cook anything. Volume-wise, the 2 3-liters and 2 liters pots are great for cooking for 4. There are plates, bowls, and mugs with sippy tops for everyone, and they are all color-coded. No more mixing mugs or eating from the wrong plate. When the set is packed, everything fits neatly into the 3 liters pot and can be stowed in the stuff sack. Even the stuff sack doubles as a wash basin. The coating of the sack allows you to fill it up with water and a little bit of soap to easily wash your set without wasting water. What I really like about this set is that the quality of each of the products. The pots and pan are made of hard anodized aluminum that is more durable and efficient than regular aluminum. The fry pan also has Teflon Radiance non-stick coating that is scratch-resistant and durable. The handle can attach securely to each of these items. The plates and bowls are made of polypropylene that is heat-resistant and is even dishwasher safe. This set definitely offers the most versatility for your cooking. You could cook almost everything you would be able to cook at home. Of course, the other downside of this set is that it's quite heavy, but it's not designed for anyone to take to a solo backpacking trip. If you're with less than 4 people, you can leave a few items at home and decrease the weight. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.